Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and I'm going to show you a few things that are in the journal starter kits. It won't be everything, but I'll show you a few. And no two are exactly alike. Now this is a little pouch, a little zipper pouch. It's got a little ring on it that comes in there. So that's good to store things in. Then you get some of my favorite, lately my favorite little trims that I have. It comes in a little roll like this. And I love the stuff for tag toppers. So you get a couple of those, and that's, I don't know, probably about a yard each. And then you get some of my favorite little tags here. Just get a stack of those. You get some washi. It may be washi like this. It may be large washi. I don't know. Everyone has washi in it. So it may be some colorful washi, but you get washi. Then you get some little charms, and let's see, there we go. Get some little charms. That one happens to be 2 pair of scissors and 2 buttons. I don't know how many is in each pack, probably different amounts. And then you get a box of, either a box or a bag of flowers. So this is a little bag like I showed you the other day. So it's got little flowers and little notes and things in there, and it's got some string in it. So you may get those, or you may get, let me look, where are mine? I don't know where mine are. You may get some flowers like, and let me look right here. You may get some flowers like this. The ones that I use, the little sticker flowers, you may get some of those instead of this. I don't know, we couldn't get enough of one thing, so we got 2 or 3 different things. But anyway, you will get flowers. 2 different kinds, as a matter of fact. And then you get some of these little envelopes. These are the seed envelopes. You get those in there. And then you get some of these. You get some of this lined craft thick paper. You get some of this beautiful trim. Look at that. Does that not scream Easter to you? I love that. And then you get a couple of sheets, 2 or 3 sheets of, this is called deli paper, but now I use this for, just like I would use your rice paper or your napkins, things like that. I use this for that. Stamping on this is wonderful. It looks very, very cool. It looks like the Tim Holtz paper that he stamped on, the little thin paper. Love that. So you get 2 big sheets of those. You get either a reading card or a tulip card or something. They're very, very thick. They can be used for tags and journal cards. You get some of our bags here. The little dot bag, and then these bags, newsprint bags, and then I put this down in there just to protect it. You get a sheet of these flowers that I use all the time. I love that. So you get a sheet of those. You get some very, very old, this is like I want to say 1898, I believe, book page. It's old. It's very old. You get a ton of these. And yes, they're discolored, but to me, that makes it even more interesting. I love the discoloration. It's just the aging process is what it is. There's no bookworms or anything like that on these. These are just, it's just aged. Just been sitting around aging. Look at that. Look at the edges. I love it. So you get a good stack of those. And then this is called bamboo pulp paper. Now to me it kind of feels like a rice paper. So it could be a rice paper. Don't know if they knew exactly how to label it, but get a couple of sheets of that. Then you get some old music pages, very, very old. I love, love, love these. So you get some music pages. You do get some ledger pages. Now these, some of these may be written on. I like that effect. I like it when you can see the old ledger entries. To me, that makes it that much more interesting. But if you don't like that, you can always cover it up, or you can, you know, put some stickers or something over it. I don't know. I like it. So, you know, if you don't, I apologize, but we're going to stick a few of those in there. All of them may not have writing on it, but some of them do. We just went through the big ledger and pulled out sheets. But see, I absolutely love that. You can tell where the person actually had their hand writing all of this, because there's a little bit of discoloration, and then all the entries and the writing and all of that. I love it. I mean, to me, it's interesting. It's history. I love it. So you get some of this paper that's got the lines on it, the dotted lines, and then you get a sheet, a big sheet of this paper, and to me this feels like rice paper. So you get it in the brown, and then there's some white in there. I don't know how much is in each one. We divided it up as best we could, and it is folded, but it wouldn't take anything to get that fold out. There was no way I could figure out how to put it in there other than folding it, because it was so big. And then you get a couple of sheets of this, and this is it feels like a tea bag. Let me kind of get one sheet up here. It feels like a tea bag feels when you take a tea bag and you unfold it and let it dry. That's what this feels like. So that would be interesting to work with. And these sheets are pretty big. So, and then some of my favorite paper. I use this all the time on the backs of my tags. You guys know that. I love it. Get some of that, and then you get a sheet or two. I can't remember. And it's a sheet like this. It's really 2 sheets, but you get some of this in your kit, and this is that I just used a minute ago on a video. I love this. It's absolutely wonderful. This is the book that it came out of. It's called Flora. Don't know exactly. We just tore these out and give you guys some of that. So then, and you get a couple of the big, well, I think you get 1 or 2 of the big bags that make a journal. They're good for a journal size. So now, like I said, no 2 kits are alike, but this is just similar things that will be, yeah, you do get 2 of those. There's another one. This is just similar to what will be in a kit. Now, if we ran out of something in midstream, then we tried to replace it with something as good or better. But all of them, most all of them will have, well, I know all of them will have this and this in it. And the papers, the ledger paper, and the music pages, and these papers, and the old book page. All of them gets this. I mean, all of them will have most everything that I've just shown you. It's just that sometimes, you know, like your kit may have one of these, and it may have one of these. I don't know. Don't know. We just, like I said, we tried to divide it up as best we could. But I love it. This is all things like I use in my journals. Everything on here is things that I use in my journals. We only have, I think we only have like 29 left. We had 30. No, we had 51 to begin with last night when I put them up. And I think there is only 29 or so left. So if you want one, they're only like $26, and that's not too bad to me for everything that you get here. I tried to price them as low as I could and still, you know, clear what money I put into them. But we will talk to you guys later. Just wanted to show you that because some people said I'd like to see everything that's in it, not just the picture. So there you go. Now, it's like I said, it's not everything. Some of them have something a little different. Some of them have this, some of them have that. But, you know, you get the gist. Basics here. All right, we will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.